In Business Central, we've got the capability to actually track special orders. So when you're on the actual sales order, here's one that I've prepared earlier. I can say that this item here, purchasing code, is a special order, although it will come into our warehouse, quantity of 100. We've got 1,000 in stock, but it's special and it's important to this particular customer. All right, we're going to go to the requisition worksheet. And from requisition worksheets, from a clean worksheet, you can go to special order and click get sales orders. And from here, we can say retrieve dimensions from the sales line or from the item. I'm going to say item. And straight away, I have an item here to go and raise an order for 100 units from this vendor. Very similar to the dropship method. Actually, it's identical. When it comes to the carry out action, you just accept the action, carry out, and press OK. But once it gets to a purchase order, this purchase order is now a traditional warehouse purchase order. Okay, so this purchase order belongs to that customer. So when we go to receiving it and we go to basically tracking where this belongs to, we can actually see that through the order, special order, and the linked sales order. Here it is for Additum. And at the end of the day, we have the ability to then identify as orders coming inbound, stuff that actually belongs specific to a client to be allocated and put aside straight away for a different purpose.